Okay, so we're going to get a tasting from our GOblend tasting room machine. You notice you have a red ring here, and you notice over here it says place your coated glass on the red ring. The glass has an RFID tag on the bottom, which is where your credit is actually stored. So I put my glass on the red ring, and it turns green, indicating this glass has credit. Also, you notice that the screen popped up. So you go to the screen and you click on like a drink. It tells you how many credits you have. You say, okay, I will use the credit. And in this case, we're not actually making a blend. We're just taking wine on pump 1. So notice it says 100% 1. We're doing a tasting of the wine on pump 1. So I hit start, and it starts to make the blend. Now it's going to make exactly the serving size that the tasting room is authorized. In this case, it's about 2 ounces. There, your tasting portion is complete. Take the glass off there, and you'll notice that the ring will turn red again, indicating the machine is now ready for the next serve.